Are you an auto repair shop owner looking to grow your car count with new customers? If you answered yes to that question, this could be the most important video that you'll see this year. I'll explain it all to you in a minute, so buckle up because we're starting right now. Hey, it's Matthew. Welcome back to Car Count Hackers. If you're an auto repair shop owner and you want to grow your car count, income, and profits, go ahead and down below smash that subscriber button, ring the bell icon, and you'll be on your way. Around here, I like to say, you fix the cars, I'll fix your car count. So I asked you about growing your car count with new customers. And if you're still here, you probably answered yes to that. So let me tell you this. Previous to this, you've seen videos that I've been releasing both here and on Facebook. By the way, if you're not following Car Count Hackers on Facebook, I'll leave a link in the description below. Follow me over there because I release updates on what's coming up and love to have you over on Facebook. But understand this. I've been talking to you about the number 27. And on this video, I'm going to reveal everything. So let's jump into this. You're looking to grow your car count and new customers are the way you want to go. So let's have a look at a couple of things. Here's a statistic, and all of these statistics come from a report that I had done. New customers, after their third successful or good visit, you have a 70% chance of them coming back to you. Let's face it, there's a lot of competition out there, and in most cases, customers view auto service and all that stuff as sort of a commodity. So after their third successful visit, you have about a 70% chance of that customer coming back to your shop. What about the second visit? Hey, wait, before we jump back into this video, have you registered for my totally free training course, How to Double Your Car Count in 89 Days without wasting any of your hard-earned dollars on that money-sucking advertising? Look, I do everything. I show you the car count pillars. These are the three pillars, the only three things that you really have to focus on to get more car count. Then I show you the car count cube. It is the exact formula that you need to apply so that anytime you take a dime out of your pocket to invest in marketing, it's going to work for $1. And on top of that, I give away my entire signature Profits Customer Referral Program. I show you step by step, take you by the hand, and show you exactly how to put your own customer referral program into action. I promise you're going to see a lot more customers in the next month than some shops see all year. And those are good customer referrals. So head down to the links below and sign up right now. You're going to get instant access and unlimited access within a couple of minutes. So go ahead and do that. Back to the video. After the second successful visit, you have about a 45% chance of that customer coming back for the third visit. Now, here's where you really have to pay attention, and I urge you to copy these numbers down. After the first visit, you have a 27% chance of your customer coming back to you. So think about it. There's new car dealers. There's the big box repair stores. There's the national franchises and networks and chains, big box repair. There's no shortage of places to get their car serviced. So does it really surprise you that after the first visit, you only have a 27% chance of having them come back to you? Then you have to go through it on the second visit and even the third visit until you can really say that you have a customer. But in this information, found out some other stuff that you're going to want to know. Check this out. 82% of U.S. consumers said they stopped doing business with a company due to a poor customer experience. What about this one? Companies lose 71% of consumers due to that poor customer experience. And you're asking, what's a good customer experience? And you're saying, well, Matthew, we do good customer experience. Look, in other videos, I'm going to give you details and a perfect strategy that you can use It's not going to cost you anything, but it's the strategy that you can use to increase your chances to get that customer to come back to you. So you might want to go ahead and subscribe over here, ring the bell icon, and that way you'll know as soon as that video is released. But understand this, 68% of your customers leave you because they perceive your indifference to them. Basically what they're saying is they don't think you care. And on top of that, understand this, 47% of consumers would take their business to your competitor within a day after experiencing poor customer service. Now, I've done other videos about this, and I'll link them down below about customer service, because customer service isn't a department. It's the way you operate. But understand that almost half of your customers will drop you like a hot potato after a bad customer experience. On top of that, 60 to 70% of customers will do business with a company again if the company deals with customer service issues fairly, and even if it's not in their favor. So think about that. When's the last time you had a problem with a customer and you just said, yeah, well, sorry, Mrs. Jones, that's the way we do it around here? You still have a chance to win them back if you deal with them fairly. So right now, the most important numbers that you have to understand is that you have a 70% chance of retaining that customer after a third successful visit. You have a 45% chance after a second successful visit. And even if their first visit was perfect, you still only have a 27% chance of getting that customer to come back. So I've got videos coming up, and you're thinking that you might want a discount. You're thinking that what can I do to sort of increase those odds? Well, you're going to want to hit the subscriber button, because I'm going to show you several different ways with a perfect strategy that you can use. It's not going to cost you anything, and you can improve those odds of having that customer come back to you for the second and third visit. And while you're here, there's a video over here that you should watch about free tools that you can use immediately to help you get more car count. And down below is a video that YouTube thinks you're going to want to see. Hey, it's Matthew, the Car Count Fixer. Can't wait to see you on the next video.